Google just teased the Pixel 10 with a stunning 50MP camera and TSMC's Tensor G5 chip. Ready for the August 20th reveal? Let's dive in. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech news hotspot. Today we're unpacking Google's Pixel 10 teaser and what's coming. On July 25, 2025, Google dropped a Pixel 10 teaser on its store homepage, hyping the Made by Google event in New York City on August 20th. The clip shows a sleek, island-shaped camera bar ditching the edge-to-edge design with a 50-megapixel Samsung GN8 lens, flash, and sensor. The Pixel 10 packs a 50-megapixel Samsung GN8 wide lens, 13-megapixel Sony IMX712 ultrawide, and 11-megapixel telephoto with the same 11-megapixel for selfies. Powered by TSMC's 3nm Tensor G5 chip, it's faster and cooler than Samsung's older chips, promising 20% better efficiency. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold shines with a 5015 mAh battery, 7% bigger than last year, and a 3000 nit OLED for bright sunlight viewing. Running Android 16, it brings AI tricks like real-time translation and photo editing, rivaling Samsung's Z Fold 7. With 10 million Pixel users, Google's taking on Samsung, OnePlus, and Motorola. X-fans are buzzing, calling the Pixel 10's camera DSLR level. The $899 price and TSMC chip could make it a 2025 Android king in the $1 trillion smartphone market. Expect Pixel 10 Pro, Pro XL, and Pro Fold revealed on August 20th, plus Pixel Watch 4 and Buds 2a. Pre-orders start same day, shipping by August 29th. Stay tuned for leaks as Google gears up to steal the show. Are you hyped for the Pixel 10's new camera? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech scoops.